beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today we're talking about a brand new product. I am very excited about this. This is the Cream Tint Pro from Salt, New York. I have 4 shades. I did buy a little bundle. I'll tell you more about the prices and bundles and things like that. Basically, this product is a cream color cosmetic. There are 18 different shades, so there are 6 of the radiant finish, those are highlighters, 6 of the sculpt and bronze, so these are cream, bronzer, and contour shades, and then 6 of the lip and cheek tints. The individual creams are $16 a piece. However, like I mentioned, you can bundle these. I purchased my 4 shades in a bundle and I ended up saving about 30%. Here's a quick look at the bundle deals. You can get 4 of the tints for $45 or 6 for $63. There are also some bundles with the palette, so you can get 4 tints plus the palette for just around $65, or you can get 6 tints plus the palette for just around $85. I decided to get 1 of the radiant shades, 1 of the sculpt and bronze, and then 2 of the lip and cheek tints. I am wearing all 4 of these shades today, so I'm gonna show you a demo of me applying them. First, let me just show you some quick finger swatches on my arm. I got the highlighter in the shade beige, the sculpt and bronze in the shade light, and then the 2 lip and cheek tints I got are a lighter pinky shade called Rose, and then this beautiful berry shade called Raspberry. This package was just delivered today, so I've been wearing this makeup for a couple hours, and full disclosure, for the demo, I was already wearing just a tinted moisturizer with a little bit of powder on top, and I had just applied a little bit of bronzer and a little bit of highlighter to my cheeks when the doorbell rang. So I am wearing a powder bronzer and a powder highlighter already for this demo. I was just too excited. I had to play with it. I had to film my first impression. And now that I've been wearing it for a few hours, I can show you what it looks like as it wears. Let's take a look at the application demo now. I'm just going to be applying all of these shades with my fingers. First, I went in with the light sculpt and bronze shade, and you can tell here I was wearing a really light layer of bronzer already. I thought it was interesting to see how this would layer on top of powders. Typically, I would apply my cream products first and then put powder on top to set it, but this actually blended pretty darn well on top of existing powders. The good news is I hadn't put any bronzer on my forehead yet, so we can get a real side by side here as I apply the Sculpt and Bronze Light to my forehead. I applied the shade Rose to my cheeks as my blush. I was applying and blending out with my fingers and then going back and kind of touching up the edges with a damp sponge just to make sure everything's really seamlessly blended. And then I went real crazy with the Radiant Beige here. I started applying it and it looks so beautiful and so natural. It literally looks like my skin has highlighter within it. So I went a little crazy. I put it all over my cheekbones and then kind of blended it down on top of my blush. I also put some on my Cupid's bow, which I think looks amazing. Sometimes I struggle with powder highlighters in that spot. I really like to highlight my Cupid's bow. I like the way it looks. I like to accentuate that feature because I do like my lips, so I like to accentuate them. And this just blended so beautifully. And then I used the shade Raspberry on my lips. Here's a close-up look at my skin after applying all of these tints. I think it looks so good, so natural. It feels amazing on my skin. It doesn't feel like makeup at all. It feels hydrating but not greasy. I think I look really fresh and dewy, but I don't think these are too shiny or too dewy. If you do have an oilier skin type, if you have dry skin, this is amazing. Highly, highly recommend. But I don't think these are so dewy that you couldn't get away with them on oilier skin as well. Now let's take a look after I've been wearing this for almost 5 hours. As you can tell, I've since done my eye makeup. I filmed a whole eyeshadow tutorial for this eye makeup that I'm wearing now. It's not like I've had an amazingly strenuous day. I did move some furniture around upstairs, but I don't know if my skin's ever looked better. These look amazing. I did put a little gloss on top on the lips too. I like the way that looks. These creams do not come in a compact. They are just these little free-floating magnetic compacts. You can put them into any magnetic palette you have. Of course, I have mine in my Salt New York palette. They come very minimally packaged, just in these little paper sleeves. I really love the design of the sleeve here. It has their logo, the lion, and just a little like shiny embossed Salt New York. And then inside the sleeve, there was this thicker cardboard paper on top of the cream so that it protected the product while it was inside this little sleeve. So very minimal packaging, very easy to recycle this packaging, not a lot of waste with this product. All of the tints are vegan, they are cruelty-free. These are things that I know are a big deal for Salt New York. Salt New York is founded by a YouTuber. Her name is Kiki G Makeup here on YouTube. She's a professional makeup artist. She's also my friend, so, you know, I'm not claiming to be 100% unbiased in this review, but I did purchase these products myself. Caitlin offered to send them to me, but I really wanted to support Salt New York. I've been a big supporter of Salt New York since their palette launched. I backed their Kickstarter, and that was before Caitlin and I really became friends. So this is a company that I definitely believe in. I definitely support, not just because my friend owns it. I mean, I love that too. But she has a lot of time in the industry. She knows what she's doing with these products. She's very conscientious with every decision she makes, not just with her formulations, not just with her packaging. But if you go and look at the website, all of the pictures, the models for the Cream Tint Pro campaigns, she features people of different ages, different skin tones, and all of those photos are completely unretouched. I love that. I highly recommend you go and at least look at the website, look at these beautiful photos, beautiful models. I love that Salt New York showcases all different kinds of beauty and celebrates different skin tones, different ages. I'm here for it. I love it. I'm so excited. I'm so proud of my friend Caitlin. I'm so happy to say that I really do love this product. Very happy with how these applied. They were super easy to apply just with my fingers and blend out. You could apply these with a sponge or even with a duo fiber brush. Very user-friendly, beautiful finish on the skin. I'm just so excited about this launch, if you can't tell. As I keep wearing this makeup, it just looks better and better as it warms into my skin. It just looks so natural and beautiful. I love it. This formula does layer really nicely, so if you wanted a more dramatic look, a brighter blush, a more, you know, intense bronze or contour type of look, you could definitely get that. I prefer a more natural look when it comes to my skin, and I think this product suits that just really well. I always love to hear what you guys think about things too, so leave your thoughts down in the comments, and as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Vegan and cruelty-free. And then 6... Shh! Killing it! Is everybody really distracted by how bright my eyeshadow is? Because I am. Whew, okay. Got a little excited there. My skin looks fabulous. Let's just call it like it is. This stuff looks great. This highlighter is so perfect. Ugh, I love it. The highlighter is my favorite thing. I like it all. I actually really love the lip tint too, and I'm not usually a big fan of lip tints, but I like it, especially with the gloss on top. Okay, I'll stop rambling. All right, okay. But thanks for watching. Okay, bye.